Mr. Vegas called Bounty Killer a 5-star bitch. Stick around for the full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Now, welcome back, people. So first I want to say today is the birthday of the legendary Usain Bolt. You see what I said? Today a Bolt birthday, so big up Bolt on him birthday today. You don't know it thing go. Hopefully he enjoy himself and I do him. I really seen a lot of posts from him or nothing, you know. He have a newborn baby, so maybe him just a chill with the family. We don't know, but either way, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, my G. You know what I mean? Next, I want to send condolences to Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty's father passed away a few days ago, and she made a post, you know. And, you know, just as I express my deepest condolences to Miss Kitty and her family. We all know Miss Kitty provide entertainment for we, you know, on the radio, and she have a talk show and thing will keep us entertained. And for anyone, you know, who lose a family member, it's always touching and nobody know how to deal with that, especially a parent. You see me? So my deepest condolences to Miss Kitty and her family once again. All right? So now, people, let's talk about Mr. Vegas. So Mr. Vegas made a video this morning, and it's in response to what Bounty Killer said. So if you don't know the storyline, I'll just break it down for you quick, most people already know it, right? So it's between Mr. Vegas and Bounty Killer, you know, and it's over the politics dub. We all know some Mr. Vegas and Bounty Killer and a friend years now, years. You see me? But because Vegas said the other day that the artists them should vice and do the politics dub them, and Bounty Killer was against it, you know what I mean? It sounded like Vegas did say, all right, you have a vice and do the dub, and who not do no dub, at you nobody not call him and bad man. It sound like a Bounty Killer him attack. I don't know if a Bounty Killer him attack people. So Killer responds to it. This him up, call him Vegas and all kind of thing. The video them are all about over in it. Right? But this man, you know, Vegas make a video and say Bounty Killer is the 5-star bitch. He ain't no 5-star general. Right? And he must say, I know you Killer boss, but him also I try to hold them down. And he must say, Killer give Beanie a fight in world career. He must say merciless. Killer say merciless while I'm vice in a pudding and give merciless a fight also. And then he must mention the fact that Killer did try for this Tommy Lee, Alkaline, couple other people. I'm not even sure if he say Alkaline, but I want to know them story they go. You see me? But couple other people, well, including Vybz Kartel and Movado, where Killer boss also. But the major thing with Vegas I talk about is when Killer did the pan versus and Killer do the little walkway thing, right? Vegas say Killer come out of the closet this so. Say people are give Killer a blind and island people are hypocrites because they now call Killer pan it. Impose and say Killer a come out of the closet and nobody now give, you know what I mean? I go like they want Killer get away with that. And Killer always at these people call him faggot. Say he must say even pan versus Killer call Beanie Man Fishini. Right? And they must say they were a big man now. So that not for go on and Beanie Man kids them are listening and everything and Ray. So Vegas definitely talk in mind. You know, another thing he must say back in the days when Killer had this up Beanie and I call Beanie fish. Like that was one of the worst time for anybody call anybody fish in a Jamaica because them time them think they serious. You see me? They must say I chew him strong and chew Beanie Man strong make Beanie Man become a legend and they said we can Killer with a right off him career. So the man definitely I say him not take no talk from Killer still. You know what I mean? Him carry vengeance for Killer. Him not take no talk and him not take no disrespect from Killer. That's what he must say. He must say right now, a years Killer fight people, him fight Lexus, him fight all kind of people. And even though people are say Killer boss a lot of people, Killer fight a lot of people. Now people want to know what to think about all this, right? The reason why I'm going to use the video, people, I'm going to you know them topic are kind of sensitive and a man might not like what me I say, or him no might not like how me do my video and I say, yo, me I try to put different things from what him says. So what me I go do? I go put the link in the description so you can hear it for yourself in full, right? So there would be no confusion. I'm pretty sure that I listened it all the way through, and I'm pretty sure that what I'm telling you is very accurate as to what he said, right? So I'm going to put the link in the description when you can hear it for yourself. But anyway, the last thing I want to talk about Shenseea. So Shenseea has her filter on the Instagram story. So if you're going to Instagram story, it's like the second one and you see a little Jamaica flag with her name, Shenseea, on it. So it's for the song when name Sure Sure, what she just released. I see everybody endorse it, Ramesh, everybody. You see me, I say, the thing about it still is kind of female-ish to me. Well, it's female, you know what I mean? Because lipstick and thing depend. But you know, Ramesh, them a support and everybody a support. So them a put it on. You see me? Me not gonna make no video with it right now. But me still support Shenseea. Me not gonna make no video with it. Me not say, you see me? But me still support Shenseea and that's a good look. You see me? So big up Shenseea upon that. It's a good look. And who hope to see more things like this from the dancehall artists them. You see me? So people, that's it. We just all keep this short and to the point. So big up on yourself and thank you for watching and have a blessed day or night, whatever time of day it is, wherever you at. Big up.
I'm gonna tell you now. That's why I tell this day Elephant are the biggest pussy. And one of them Kiprich. First of all, Elephant and Kiprich are not even my real friend them. My real friend them was Rounded them and General B them and Power Man them and all of them man there from Arrow's days. Them man that was my real friend and them man them grew up in the industry with. But guess what? You see, me was a send out youth, you know. Me was the artist where when they want them cigarette, I me them send by. I me them send, you know, me was a send out youth. And when we there show up, I me there show up, I me them a send out for the start it. Like I'm here the opener. You see me I say, so me was the youth there. Me was the sprinter.
Yeah.
But guess what now? We got bust the blood clot with such a impact where even them themselves can't imagine. And then the man just fall back. Like here the man them start. The film story was, I want to tell you Lexus. I if you come find me, you know. Me if you come find you know, when the number one song in the country, the busiest man in the country. Oh my God, oh me if you come find you know. Like nigga, I don't even got time for my kids or myself. You know what I say? And so the man them start fall back. My real friend them start fall back now. You see me I said? I'm gonna take a stop. Elephant and Kiprich start come round. And alright, now share a moment with you. I never really talk about this much. But now share a moment with you. Okay, so this is the day it dawned on me. Some boss, like the day when I actually realized some boss was one day I wake up, Zane, and I have this. There was this pretty girl that used to date from Mandeville. Yo, the girl pretty like money, and that bitch here was like silk, like real silk, bro. And she was, you know, she was caramel and shit. So she lay down in my bed half naked, and so I get up, like I wake up and sit up in the bed. And them time there, $500 not even bus yet. I be $100. So I had like 300,000 worth of $100 on my dresser. So that shit looked like a lot of money. That shit looked like a whole heap of money. And so like I had a so because a woman look on the girl, like, and then I look on the money. And then I look on something else. I look on something else where they dip on the dresser too. Zine. So because a woman look on the money and look on the thing, and then I look on my girl and I was like, fuck. I really bust that. And then I smile. And then I smell something nice. Aroma I come from the kitchen. So when I go to the woman and look through the bedroom door, it was like Kiprich is outside in my living room. Like I think it was probably tidying up or some shit. And Elephant in my kitchen, I cook. Cause that's how close them niggas got to me. Like niggas could have poisoned me, bro.
Yeah.
Like niggas got so close to me that I was like, oh shit. And at that morning they done for me some busting and I was like, but then when the whole thing started dude now, you know, Elephant come from Seaview, so him just pick side with dude. And keep
no, but this is my point. This is my point. This is how I feel about it. This is how I feel about it. And when we think about it now, especially like how I'm a grown people, share the life right now. Share the life. Please share the life. So here what? When I think about it, because like I'm glad to say I'm a cancer. I'm a youth who love work out things with people and straighten out things. And everything with jump. Sometimes I love straighten out things and think about it. So here what? Me I say, me know Elephant and the General come from same place as Seaview, right? And you and him apart, and there's a rift between you and him. In my eyes, him should have tried be the one for try bridge the gap and try be the person now and whisper in your ears and whisper in a female ears and try to see if you could have mellow it out. See? Because him and the General good, other people around the General good, but him was the man who could have been the middleman for trying to mellow out the situation. And if you try and mellow it out and it don't work, then we can say, alright, you tried. But me and you can't be friends, and me and you to the same place and we are staying at the same house and we are traveling and then something like disappear.
You know why that happened? Because I them carry the argument to killer. My friend them and me are partying. But they never see me in them something they you know. And me I give them girl for fuck and them sitting and all of them something.
Yeah, freeze up. Yeah, no, what are you freeze up?
Yeah.
Hold on there.
Is it back?
Yeah, freeze up. Repeat again.
We back, check. You hear me?
Yeah. You said them carry the argument?
Yeah, to do it. That's why them feel guilty. You know what I say? I don't know where them get that from. I don't know where them get that from because none of them never see me and do that yet. None of them never have them all them conversation they would do yet. Them time they never know nothing about them something there.
You got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.